the Ramsar Convention of 1971, which is one of the earliest and most significant international agreements dedicated to the protection of wetlands. Adopted in Ramsar, Iran, and coming into force in 1975, the convention provides a global framework for the conservation, wise use, and sustainable management of wetlands. In this video, we will try to understand why wetlands matter and how the Ramsar Convention serves as a unified international effort to protect them. Now, what wetlands are, and why they are ecologically important. Wetlands are areas where land meets water, and they come in many forms, including freshwater systems like rivers and marshes, as well as brackish coastal types such as estuaries and mangroves. They act as biodiversity hotspots, supporting a wide range of plant and animal life. Wetlands also function as natural water purifiers by filtering pollutants, and they play a key role in climate regulation by storing carbon. Overall, wetlands are essential not only for environmental stability, but also for human livelihoods. The global purpose of the Ramsar Convention. Its core mission is to conserve wetlands that are internationally important and ensure their wise use, meaning sustainable utilization without harming their ecological character. The convention also promotes international cooperation, especially for managing shared wetlands and protecting migratory species. Additionally, Ramsar establishes a global network of protected wetland sites and emphasizes balancing environmental protection with human needs through coordinated action. Features that guide the Ramsar Convention's approach to wetland protection. First are the Ramsar Sites, which are wetlands internationally recognized for their unique ecological and biological value. These sites require formal designation and proper management, making them priorities for conservation. Next is the concept of ecological character, which defines the essential features of each wetland, including its ecological, hydrological, and biological attributes. Monitoring changes in ecological character helps identify threats and informs restoration and wise use decisions. The Montreux Record highlights Ramsar sites that are under threat or experiencing ecological decline. It acts as an early warning and prioritization tool, guiding targeted conservation efforts and mobilizing international support. Together with these mechanisms, the convention operates through three core pillars: the wise use of all wetlands, the effective management of designated Ramsar sites, and strong international cooperation for conservation. These components form a comprehensive framework for global wetland protection. Ramsar Site Designation. Key criteria. Wetlands are not randomly designated as Ramsar sites. They must meet specific scientific and ecological criteria. A wetland may qualify if it contains a rare or unique type of wetland or if it supports endangered or vulnerable species. Another major criterion is supporting large populations of waterbirds, more than 20,000 individuals, or hosting at least 1% of a species' global population. Many Ramsar sites also serve as essential fish breeding grounds, playing a crucial role in food chains and local economies. These wetlands support overall biodiversity, maintain ecosystem balance, and provide crucial hydrological functions such as flood control and water purification. Most importantly, Ramsar designation ensures long-term protection of ecologically invaluable wetlands on a global scale. Now, let's discuss global reach and benefits of this convention. The Ramsar Convention is one of the most important global agreements for the protection of wetlands. Today, more than 170 countries are part of this convention, and collectively they have designated over 2,400 Ramsar sites. These sites span more than 250 million hectares, making the Ramsar network one of the largest protected area systems in the world. The convention plays a vital role in biodiversity conservation, especially for migratory species that rely on wetlands across multiple countries. Ramsar wetlands also help secure water resources, store carbon, reduce disaster risks such as floods and coastal erosion, and maintain overall ecosystem stability. In essence, Ramsar contributes directly to global environmental security. Major challenges that wetlands face today, along with the strategic priorities guiding the Ramsar Convention moving forward. Wetlands continue to be degraded by pollution and industrial runoff, which affects water quality and ecosystem health. Climate change impacts, such as sea level rise and shifting temperatures, further threaten wetland stability. Another major pressure is land conversion. As agriculture and cities expand, natural wetlands are drained or destroyed. The spread of invasive species also disrupts native biodiversity and ecosystem functioning. To respond effectively, The convention emphasizes strengthening the management and monitoring of Ramsar sites, improving international cooperation, and ensuring that countries align policies for shared conservation goals. A key direction is integrating nature-based solutions, approaches that use natural processes for restoration and protection. Finally, the convention aligns its strategies with global priorities under SDGs 6, 13, 14, and 15, ensuring wetland conservation contributes to water security, climate action, marine protection, and biodiversity. In summary, protecting wetlands requires coordinated global action, stronger national commitment, and innovative, nature-based solutions. By addressing these challenges strategically, the Ramsar Convention continues to serve as a vital framework for safeguarding one of the planet's most valuable ecosystems.